Are you a new individual investor, or have just started investing, and are facing problems of not making any money, and do not know the reasons of your problems? As an investor, these problems are giving you a feeling of being stuck in a pit, and make you feel underconfident. Your friends and family too are questioning your capabilities. Problems happen for different reasons. Every individual investor has a different thought process and objectives for investing in stock market. If you don't stop these problems now, as an individual investor, you will lose all your money you have invested, and these problems will stop you from investing totally, resulting in stopping avenue of growth and income, and becoming a successful investor. So, here I am offering you a free help, where we will understand and discuss your problems as an individual investor. This is not a sales call, it's just a help, so you can come out of your problems as an investor. If you feel this is for you, and want us to help you, click the link below.